Yeah, I'm recording right now, and my wife is in headset.
Oh, yeah.
James, did you just join? You're right next to my wife's head. Mindy, can you?
Yes,
Mindy, could you
I'm
learn?
next to someone's head.
Yep. Mindy's looking right at you. Hello. Cool.
I don't want to do something unintentional.
So, Mindy, what's so cool about this is that James is in the UK and Cord is in Canada, and we're both here in Florida. And Cord is moving the map around, and I'm seeing everything fine. And gents, you can probably hear my power supply beeping at me because I'm overloading the circuit. So if I abruptly disconnect, it's going to be due to that. But yeah, yeah, that beeping sound. Yeah, that's my ups yelling at me
What's the yellow sign?
that the circuit's being overloaded. Oh, okay. So you've reset, and yeah, so you're attached to the aircraft. I have a small scale though. I don't have a large scale. Oh, scale's coming up. Mindy, do you see the fighter? Okay. She sees the fighter.
So, Cord, can you go and pilot the aircraft?
Okay, so Cord is going to try to take control of an aircraft. Just letting you know.
Oh, you don't actually have to pilot it. But...
Oh, I want to.
Yeah. It's so funny seeing your head turn around.
Could you do me a favor and reach out and touch the fighters? Yep. Perfectly aligned. Try touching the top tail. Actually, the new aircraft that just popped up, put your index finger on the top tail of the perfect. Perfectly aligned.
Good job.
Okay, so I see an F-16 in the middle of the tabletop, and the land is scrolling underneath.
Yeah.
Good.
I use the armor attach then to select the label.
Woo! Slow this thing down. There we go.
Yeah, okay, so you're flying. You're in a climb. 340 knots. Climbing up to 7,000. And Mindy is...
Hey, guys.
Mindy just booped your snoot. Control zones are on. That's where you want to be if you want to shoot him down. So you want to put your aircraft within that cone.
Okay, this is cool. Now this I got it better.
You're inverted.
Yeah, that hurt.
Uh, 4,000 and
Okay,
descending.
move your heads, guys.
Are they updating? I have a theory
No.
they're not. Yes.
No. Yeah, you guys are frozen.
Okay.
I know how to fix that. But it will require us all to restart.
Ah, okay.